Do you like to snack on fresh strawberries? Do you like white or dark chocolate? Then you should definitely try our easy to make chocolate covered strawberries. Now these strawberries are fresh and they're dipped in sugar-free white or dark chocolate to provide a delicacy and decadence that we crave, that we can enjoy freely without too much guilt. I'm Chris and you're watching Eat Well Live Well, where we take international and traditional food and drinks and transform them to healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to discover more of our amazing healthy recipes. You'll be surprised on how easy it is to temper chocolate for these Chicago-inspired chocolate-covered creations that you'll be making all kinds of variations for you and your family. Now let's get started, shall we?